Keith Jimenez with a half-court buzzer. Meron ding acrobatic finish, umpisa pa lang dami ng high IQ gameplay ni T-Rex. Dati sa dayo lang, kalaban naman ngayon ni Jimenez si Super Albo sa pro. Nice steal and conversion naman dito kay new look pa di Richard Velchez. Mainit ngayon sa opensa, may pinalpal pa taking over para sa Sarangani. Panoorin natin ang highlights ng laban. I-like and share mo lang ang ating video and mag-subscribe sa ating YouTube.
This year.
Kick out pass, Jimenez swings it to Junji Aliaga. The one-hander is good. Foul. 6 seconds, a shot clock ng Manila. Richard Albo with a tough shot.
Already averaging these kinds of numbers here in the MPBL. This guy's averaging 15 points per game, 5.8 rebounds, and 6 players who already have a lot of experience under their belts. That's still an amazing feat for a 19-year-old kid who's in his first stint in professional. Bilano in Philippine basketball history.
But I think what's more impressive with how Kid has 5 games, averaging 13.8 points. As Richard Albo goes coast to coast for the layup. Still with the basketball, Koy Alves finally gets it. Oh, able to get past the defense. Punta kay Richard Albo, laban kay Koy Alves.
That's only averaging 6.9 points for the season, but he's had some double-digit performances this year.
How about that acrobatic fit? Diputado. Oh, steps back, leaving Diputado, and
Makati and Coach Viz Valencia was still at the helm of that squad. That was my very first season.
so him being able to break down the defense, really playing fast. Moving forward, baliktad yung pektos. Buti na lang nandoon yung kanyang kakampi. Si Richard Velchez. Carlo Escalambre fires and immediate
Rebound.
6 minutes and 10 seconds remaining here. And okay, Suma, but a poor pass. Tatakbo si John Fa. Off to the races. He could learn something from.
Oh yeah. When you talk about professionalism in this game, Richard Albo certainly.
But he's been contributing and he's playing a handful of minutes today. Hit Jimenez.
Having 2 threes each here in the first half. Jimenez and Escalambre.
Brillante, susugod, lays it up and in.
He just went through it. The defense. Oh!
What a shot to beat the buzzer. How about that from Kid Jimenez?
Already with a bunch of points in this game. Still 3 seconds on that game clock. Pulls up near the free.
Yeah, okay. Bumps into John Fa and crossover by Junji. In traffic, gets the bounce. Doesn't lead for Sarangani. Kid Jimenez. Isang maganda ng pasa na ulit para kay umapang palabas. Albo. As Kid Jimenez to beat. He gets it in. 5:43. Solid screen. Alves. 3. Albo, no hesitation. Junji posting up on Dustin Ambrosio. Fadeaway jumpers. Albo trailing. Now attacking. Oh, great look inside to Alvarez for the defense of Destacamento. Diputado lets Ambrosio fly by. And despite agaw, Halyari, tatakbo na naman ng Sarangani. Bozong, bounce inside. Canlas in trouble, and the steal. Velchez, look out. Oh, he just lays it up and in.
Nobody going back down on defense to try and stop Sarangani.
Sebio inside. Malyari, the Hesi. Inside, Velchez. Able to contort himself for the layup. Decoy Lopez, susugod sa kapila. Nasupalpal ni Richard Velchez. Malyari, no look inside. Ooh, Velchez, muntik nang bumapang pala. Sebio to trigger it in. Inside they go. Decoy Lopez scores. Hurtado takes the free. No good. Velches. Calao with rebound. And the putback. Hindi tumakbo eh.
Oh, wala silang choice eh.
Eusebio. Drop pass
Whoa.
inside. John Fa.
Eusebio passing it at the last moment.
Malyari. Malyari attacks John Fa. Velches again. How about Richard Velches? 8 minutes left. John Fa switching hands in midair.
Once again para sa Manila. But the question is, can they
Peace pass to Jose Cadlas. John Fa inside. Multiple pump fakes. Oh!
basketball?
Baseline drive by Achi Inigo.
Do you see him trying to attack the basket? Pero if he does,
Point shooter. Talagang it's either the mid-range or baskets in transition. Meanwhile, Boy Alves quietly. J. Mark Palyari. The Hesse able to get him to the cup. John Cadlas puts it up and in. They're gonna register win number 3. While Manila Batang Quiapo will drop down to their 12th. Arsunga had an injury early in the season.